They want to see animal to eat. Watch closely. I will set a trap. This thing is like very dangerous. Don't try this at home. No. Don't try this at home.
We are the thinkers, the job jugglers, the up-all-nighters.
These things are dangerous. I found it in my backyard.
Our life's work. We strive for the moments where we can say, I did it. We are entrepreneurs who started it
It
all
flies.
with a signature. LegalZoom has helped start over 1 million businesses, turning dreamers into business owners, and we're here to help start yours.
You guys, I'm telling you, it's crazy. You ready? Here he comes. He's very he's slow though. So get ready.
Pushing for you and with you. At DeVry, personal attention they give all their students, teaching what you need to know to help you get hired, and always pushing for your success means I can work for gold and toward a great tech career when the games are over.
All right, guys. He's almost to the food. He's almost there, guys. Don't leave yet. Don't click off this video. I swear, I will come and haunt you for the rest of your life. I'm kidding. I don't know how to haunt yet. Well, all right. He's almost there. Here he comes. Wow, he is once a very slow animal.
On the next all-new Strip the City, we'll show you how old-world designs influence modern-day earthquake-proof engineering.
There could be another earthquake right now.
Strip the City is all new in Tokyo. Wednesday at 10. Only on Science.
I never knew that.
Everything.
Pink flamingos
Of all Americans.
can be so slow.
In the universe.
Well, guys, that was a lie. This is a black flamingo.
Now, to the untrained eye, it's just a grain of medicine. But to our scientists, it's a thing of beauty. This mixture of corn, starch, water, and food rockets and ducks. It's business in action. Bizarre fluid that make it turn from solid to
So now we're going to do something called a non-Newtonian fluid. It's different from normal fluids, and the way it's different is all about order and disorder. It's completely of all the fluids that you would expect to see in your normal life.
So you've got your particles of cornstarch, which are all the way
Guys, see that?
in the liquid.
That was
But
crazy.
you suddenly receive a huge whack from the
Well,
monster.
bye-bye.